Have you ever wondered what it would be like to give somebody the gift of a personal experience just for them? A space where they can relax, feel safe, and connect to everything that has meaning and of value to them. A space where they can feel cradled by sound or story, where their imagination can roam freely, discovering the magic of what is possible. Perhaps you've wanted to give a loved one an experience where they can just let go and be, and experience their own true nature. In many ways, what I do here in the Gong space, online, in the community, is about connecting with our true nature, finding our own alignment, remembering who we are through healing sound. So I'm speaking to you today. My name is Alexandra Simpson, and I'm speaking to you from the Gong space in Dunster. And I offer sessions one-to-one in the community, online, gift vouchers. Any gift voucher can be purchased and used against any Soundwell event. And it's all really about remembering who we are, remembering what's important to us, remembering to take care of our heart in a troubled world where it can feel hard at times to take time out, to breathe and to listen to the inner voice and the voice of nature and the world around us, to be able to hear the clarity of truth. These amazing instruments have the capacity to take us into a deep, meditative, healing space. And you don't have to do anything. You can just make yourself as cozy and comfortable. The stories that I tell are the old stories, the legends, the myths, the folk tales of the world. All the stories are chosen, handpicked and told to inspire a sense of well-being, to allow us to relax, to allow us to hear the voice of the earth and the sky and the fire and the storms and the archetypes that have been with us throughout the beginning of time. To be able to hear those voices and allow them to resonate deep within us, to nurture the imaginations of children and elders and everyone in between. Give somebody you love this Christmas an experience. All the events are listed on the Soundwell website, www.sound-well.co.uk. There's a personalised gift voucher which can be made up with your words, sent to you as a PDF file in an email that you can print out and put in the card or send electronically to someone who's further away. It really is about what and how you want to do it. But I'm here to offer this service and to wish you all a very, very healthy, joyful, vibrant, festive season.